This bike currently has 11,348 miles on it. I plan on riding to work today, so that will not be like that for long. You've got your tachometer, speed indicator, and then a multi-function display on this side. On the top you can have it show air temperature or average fuel economy. You've got a fuel gauge here. Over here you've got a temperature gauge. This will show what gear you're in and the time. Let's fire it up. YouTube videos normally don't do justice for what they sound like, but might as well rev it up so you can kind of get an idea. No mechanical problems with it. Regular oil changes I've done myself about every 2,000 miles. Tires were replaced about 1,000 miles ago. Those are oil and filter change, of course. I typically get between 35 and 40 miles to gallon. That includes some city driving, so not ideal conditions. I've gotten as high as about 47 miles to gallon on a longer trip with the tailwind. Luggage doesn't really seem to change much until you throw the trunk on. That'll knock it down a little bit. All around, it's been a great bike for me.